hallelujah. He is Jehovah. He is the King of kings. He is the Lord of lords. There is none like you. You are a creator of heaven and earth. Let us worship him. You are holy. I saw the Lord seated on